everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Lessons, where speaking English becomes simple and enjoyable. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone.
It's so great to be here today. How are you doing, Tom?
I'm doing really well, thank you. I'm feeling energetic today.
Energetic? That's wonderful. Did you do something fun this weekend?
Yes, I did. I went hiking. I love hiking.
Oh, hiking. That sounds nice. I am not very outdoorsy.
Not outdoorsy? What do you mean?
I don't like being outside very much. I prefer staying inside.
Oh, I see. Well, that is our topic today. We are going to talk about hobbies and free time.
Yes, hobbies, the things we do for fun.
Exactly. Everyone has different hobbies. Some people like sports, some people like art, some people like reading.
And some people like staying on the couch.
Is that your hobby, Sarah?
Maybe. We will see.
Before we start talking about hobbies, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, we do. If you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button.
A big thumbs up helps us a lot.
And if you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Easy English Lessons.
Yes, please subscribe and share this podcast with someone who wants to learn English.
We really appreciate all of you listening.
We do. Thank you so much.
Okay, Tom, let's talk about hobbies.
Great. Let's start with outdoor hobbies.
Oh no, the outdoors.
You really don't like being outside?
It's not that I don't like it, I just prefer indoor activities.
Okay. But I love outdoor hobbies, like hiking.
You mentioned that. Tell me about hiking.
Well, hiking is walking in nature, in the mountains or in the forest.
Just walking?
Yes, but it's different from walking in the city. You walk on trails. You see trees and birds and sometimes animals.
Animals? Like what?
Deer, rabbits, squirrels. Once I saw a fox.
A fox? That's exciting.
It was very beautiful, red and quick.
How long do you hike?
Sometimes 1 hour, sometimes 3 hours. It depends.
3 hours of walking. Tom, that is a long time.
It is, but I don't feel tired. I feel happy. The air is fresh. The view is beautiful.
The view?
Yes, when you reach the top of a mountain, you can see everything. The valleys, the rivers, the sky.
That does sound nice, but I think I would be very tired.
You get used to it. What outdoor activities do you like, Sarah?
I like picnics.
Picnics. That counts.
Yes, sitting on a blanket, eating food, talking with friends. That is nice.
But you are sitting, not moving.
Exactly. Perfect.
What about swimming? Do you like swimming?
Swimming. Yes, I like swimming, but only when it's very hot.
I love swimming. I go to the pool every week.
Every week? Wow.
Yes, swimming is great exercise, and it's fun.
Do you swim laps?
Laps? What does that mean?
Swimming back and forth, for exercise.
Oh, yes, sometimes I swim laps. Sometimes I just play in the water.
Play in the water? Like a child?
Yes, why not? It's fun to dive and float.
Float?
Yes, float. Lying on your back in the water, very relaxing.
That I can do. Relaxing is good.
See, you like some outdoor activities.
Only the relaxing ones.
Fair enough. What about sports? Do you play any sports?
No, not really. I'm not very athletic.
Not athletic? Come on, everyone can play something.
I tried tennis once.
And?
The ball kept hitting me in the face.
Oh no.
Yes, I am not good at tennis.
What about badminton? That's easier.
Badminton? With the feather thing?
Yes, the shuttlecock.
That's a funny word. Shuttlecock.
It is, but badminton is fun. It's slower than tennis.
Maybe I will try it. What sports do you play, Tom?
I play basketball.
Basketball. Are you tall?
Not very tall, average height, but I like shooting baskets.
Do you play with a team?
Yes, on weekends. We play at the park. Just friends, nothing serious.
That sounds fun.
It is. We play for maybe 1 hour, then we go get coffee or lunch together.
The coffee part sounds good.
Sarah, you really like staying still.
I like calm activities. Let me tell you about my hobbies.
Yes, please, I want to know.
My favorite hobby is reading.
Reading? What do you read?
I read novels, fiction books, stories about people and places.
What kind of stories?
I like mystery novels, detective stories.
Oh, like solving crimes?
Yes, I love trying to guess who did it before the ending.
Do you usually guess correctly?
Sometimes, but the good books surprise me.
Where do you read?
On my couch with a blanket and a cup of tea.
Tea.
Yes, I love tea. Hot tea with honey.
That sounds very cozy.
It is cozy. I can read for hours like that.
Hours? Don't your eyes get tired?
Not really. I wear glasses, so it's okay.
I like reading too, but not for hours.
What else do you like, Tom?
I like cooking.
Cooking? Is that a hobby?
Yes, of course. Cooking can be very creative.
Tell me more.
Well, I like trying new recipes, different dishes from different countries.
What kind of food do you cook?
I like Italian food, pasta, pizza, risotto,
That sounds delicious.
and Thai food, curry, pad thai, spring rolls.
You make spring rolls at home?
Yes, it's not difficult. You just need the right ingredients.
Where do you find the ingredients?
At the Asian supermarket, they have everything.
Do you cook alone or with friends?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends. Cooking with friends is fun. We drink wine and talk and cook together.
That does sound enjoyable.
It is, and then we eat together. That's the best part.
Do you ever burn the food?
Sometimes. Last week I burned the garlic.
Oh no,
Yes, I was talking on the phone and I forgot about the pan.
that happens.
Do you cook, Sarah?
A little. Basic things, nothing fancy.
Like what?
Soup. I can make good soup.
What kind of soup?
Vegetable soup. I cut carrots, potatoes, onions, celery. I put them in a pot with water and spices.
That sounds healthy.
It is, and it's easy. I can make a big pot and eat it all week.
Smart. What other hobbies do you have?
I like watching movies.
What kind of movies?
Romantic comedies. Happy movies.
Really? I like action movies.
Action movies. With fighting and explosions?
Yes, they're exciting.
They're too loud for me.
Too loud.
Yes, boom, crash, bang. I like quiet movies with talking and laughing.
Romantic comedies are nice too, but sometimes I need excitement.
We are very different, Tom.
We are, but that's good. Everyone has different interests.
True. Do you have any indoor hobbies?
Yes, I like playing guitar.
Guitar? You play guitar?
Yes, I learned a few years ago.
Are you good?
I'm okay, not professional, but I can play some songs.
What songs do you play?
Simple songs, folk songs, pop songs, songs everyone knows.
Do you sing too?
A little, but I'm better at playing than singing.
Do you play for people?
Sometimes for friends at parties.
That's brave.
Not really. Everyone is usually talking and not listening carefully.
Still, it's nice that you can play.
It's relaxing. When I'm stressed, I play guitar and I feel better.
That's wonderful. Music is healing.
It is. What do you do when you're stressed?
I take a bath.
A bath?
Yes, a hot bath with bubbles and candles.
Candles?
Yes, scented candles. Lavender or vanilla.
That sounds very relaxing.
It is relaxing. I lie in the bath for 30 minutes, I close my eyes, and I listen to soft music.
What kind of music?
Classical music or jazz, something slow and calm.
I like jazz.
Do you?
Yes, jazz is cool. The saxophone, the piano, the drums.
Do you go to jazz concerts?
Sometimes. There's a small jazz club in the city.
Is it nice?
Very nice. Bark room, small tables, good music.
I should go sometime.
You should. I'll tell you when there's a good show.
Thank you, Tom.
Do you have any creative hobbies, Sarah? Do you do any art?
I like drawing.
Really? What do you draw?
Simple things. Flowers, cups, chairs, objects I see around the house.
Do you draw people?
No, people are difficult. Too many details.
I can't draw at all.
Everyone can draw a little.
Not me. My drawings look like a child made them.
That's okay. Child art is honest.
That's a nice way to say it's bad.
No, really, simple drawings can be beautiful.
If you say so.
Do you have any creative hobbies?
I like photography.
Photography? Taking pictures?
Yes, I have a camera. Not a phone camera, a real camera.
What do you photograph?
Nature mostly. Trees, sunsets, mountains, water.
Do you take pictures when you hike?
Yes, always. I stop and take photos of beautiful views.
That's nice. Do you share your photos?
Yes, I post them online, on social media.
Do people like them?
Some people do. I don't have many followers, but I enjoy doing it.
That's what matters, enjoying the hobby.
Exactly. Hobbies should be fun, not stressful.
I agree completely.
What about weekend hobbies? Things you only do on Saturday and Sunday.
I like going to cafes.
Cafes.
Yes, coffee shops. I go to a cafe, I order a latte, and I sit and people watch.
People watch.
Yes, watching people, looking at what they wear, how they talk, what they order.
Is that a hobby?
For me, yes, it's interesting. Everyone is different.
I never thought about that.
Try it sometime. Sit in a cafe and just watch.
Maybe I will. I usually go to cafes to work on my laptop.
Work? On the weekend?
Sometimes. Or I read the news or write emails.
That's not relaxing.
I know. I should relax more.
Yes, you should. Weekends are for rest.
You're right. What else do you do on weekends?
I visit my sister.
That's nice. Does she live nearby?
Yes, 20 minutes away. We have lunch together.
Just the two of you?
Sometimes her children come too, my niece and nephew.
How old are they?
6 and 8. They're very energetic.
Do you play with them?
Yes, we play board games. They love board games.
What games?
Simple games. Memory games, card games, nothing complicated.
That sounds fun.
It is. Children make everything fun.
I don't see my family very often. They live far away.
That's difficult.
Yes, but we video call every week.
That's good. Technology helps.
It does. I can see their faces at least.
Do you have any unusual hobbies, Tom?
Unusual? What do you mean?
Something not many people do.
I collect stamps.
Stamps? Really?
Yes, postage stamps from different countries.
How many do you have?
Maybe 200 stamps?
Wow, that's a lot.
Not really. Some people have thousands.
Where do you keep them?
In albums. Special stamp albums with plastic pages.
Can I see them sometime?
Sure, I'll bring one next time.
I'd like that. I've never seen a stamp collection.
What about you? Any unusual hobbies?
I like doing puzzles.
Jigsaw puzzles?
Yes, the kind with many pieces. 500 pieces, 1,000 pieces.
1,000 pieces? That takes forever.
It takes time, yes, but I like it. It's like meditation.
Meditation?
Yes, my mind becomes quiet. I just focus on the pieces.
How long does a puzzle take?
Maybe 1 week. I work on it a little every evening.
What do you do with the puzzle when you finish?
I look at it for 1 day, then I take it apart.
Take it apart? After all that work?
Yes, so I can do another puzzle.
That's interesting. I would want to keep it.
Some people glue them and frame them.
That's a good idea.
But then I would need a very big house for all the puzzles.
True.
Tom, we've talked about so many hobbies today.
We have. Outdoor hobbies, indoor hobbies, creative hobbies.
It's interesting how different we are.
Yes, you like calm activities and I like active things.
But we both have hobbies we love.
That's the important thing. Having something you enjoy.
Something that makes you happy.
Exactly.
Well, that's all the time we have today.
Already. Time goes so fast when we talk.
It does. Thank you everyone for listening to Easy English Lessons.
Yes, thank you so much for being here.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation about hobbies and free time.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Lessons.
Yes, please subscribe and click the like button if you enjoyed this episode.
Share it with your friends who are learning English.
And we have a question for you today.
Yes, we do. In the comments below, please tell us.
What is your favorite hobby?
Are you like Sarah, who likes calm indoor activities?
Or are you like Tom, who likes active outdoor activities?
We really want to know.
Yes, please write in the comments. We love reading your answers.
We do. It helps us know you better.
Okay, everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye, Sarah.
Goodbye, Tom.
Goodbye, everyone.
Until next time, keep learning and keep enjoying English.
Bye for now.